So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you how to export. So I've just put my in and my out, remember I and O, on my timeline. And then what I'm going to do is up here, it gives me basically the codec that I want to export this film at. So let's say, so remember earlier in the interview I was talking about containers and codecs. So with this, what I'm going to do is I can set it as like a QuickTime, but for this I'm going to set it as a H.264, which is basically an MP4. So this is actually the codec that it's going to write at. And basically here I can select my location of where I want it to be saved. So yeah, we'll save it straight back to that original drive. I'll hit save. And then here I can change all of my, this basically relates back to my timeline settings. So 1920, 1080 at 25 frames per second. So I'm not going to change any of that. I'm going to keep it the same as source. Here I can change my bit rate, which basically will make the video larger in its size because it's trying to up the quality a lot more. So let's say if you look down here, the estimated file size at the moment is 44 meg. If we sort of shoot that straight up to 50, change to 139 megs. So yeah, there's a big difference there. And then you can actually tick this box as well, which is use maximum render quality, which basically means Premiere and your machine's going to give you all of its sort of RAM and stuff to make sure your file's exporting properly and nicely without any problems. So yeah, we'll save that and we'll go ahead and export it. So here we go, it's going to export that now, and it's going to go to that location that we selected earlier. So here we go, it's appearing here. Just give it a couple of seconds. Cool. So there we go, we've got a little thing here saying your video is exported successfully, so that's great. If it never does, obviously it will send you a warning saying there's been a problem, and it will tell you what that warning is. And then we can just hit play on this. There we go, and there's our basic title. You know, we are sort of quick color correcting, color grade, and our quick cuts between our clips there.